Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent Messenger from accessing your files on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to messenger.com. Log in to your Messenger account if you are not already logged in. Next, locate the padlock icon next to the web address in the browser's address bar. Click on View Site Information to access detailed information about the site. Within the Site Information panel, click on Site Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can manage various permissions for Messenger. Under the Permissions section, you will find a list of permissions that Messenger has. Disable the specific permissions that you want to prevent Messenger from accessing, such as your files. By following these steps, you can control and limit the permissions granted to Messenger on your PC, enhancing your privacy and data security. Disabling permissions related to file access helps in protecting your sensitive information and maintaining control over what Messenger can see and use. Empower yourself to protect your files and privacy by adjusting site permissions according to your preferences and security needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide helps you secure your files and enhance your privacy while using Messenger on your PC.